Hi, I'm Dimmu from CeeVeeGlobal, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will see how to create a strong password using WPassword plugin. Please stay tuned. Nowadays, most WordPress users use simple weak passwords. The result of using a password like this will end up with security holes for your website. Because many of the hackers can easily crack those with minimal effort. Why require a password policy manager for WordPress? Everybody knows there is a password generator in WordPress by default. You can see that in the installation of WordPress, user profile creation, and the user registration process. Of course, it generates strong, complex passwords. But have you seen there is an option called confirm use of weak password? If someone uses this option on a site like an online store or membership site, that will be a serious security problem for the WordPress site. We want to enforce a strong password generator in WordPress to avoid this problem. WPassword Policy Manager for WordPress. In this case, a WPassword comes handy. For this, you have to install a password policy manager for WordPress and activate it. I just go to Plugin, Add New. I have already downloaded this plugin to my local computer. If you want to download this plugin, don't worry about the links. You can find the link in the description below. So let's go to Upload Plugin and select the plugin and click Open. Then click Install and activate the plugin. You should activate the plugin before using it. Just copy and paste your license key and click Agree and activate the license. Now go to WPassword and enable password policies. Under the site-wide policies section, you can change several important options for the password. What is in the password policy section you can change? How many minimum characters password must contain? Mix of upper and lowercase letters. Contain special characters. In here you get an option to exclude special characters from the above list. And another perfect option, which is password expires automatically after your given time period. So if you scroll down, you can find more options. Disable inactive account after a given time period. Disallow old password on reset. Reset the password on the first login. Disable sending of password links. Also, you can set fail logging attempts before locking the account. Does this setting affect all users, or can we set it individually for different user groups? Of course, those will affect all the users by default. But there is some option to set up policies separately by user groups like administrators, editors, authors, etc. So you don't want to worry about your password security in WordPress anymore. This will direct users to create a strong password from now on. Now you know why we need a plugin like a WPassword for WordPress. Also, you know how to use it for your websites. I already tested and used those plugin for my websites before creating this video. As you can see the videos about plugin in my channel. If you want to read more about WordPress tutorials, tips, and tricks, please read my main website CeeVeeGlobal.com. Also, you can use 100% free, more than 50 SEO tools in CeeVeeSEOtools.com. If you like this videos, please like and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.